Gloria Milimu, KTN News.
So now, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua today launched an onslaught against Azimio leader Raila Odinga over what he called unwarranted attacks on the United States envoy to Kenya, that is Meg Whitman. Gachagua told opposition leaders it was time for them to accept the truth and move on because Kenya Kwanza won the 2022 elections. He was speaking when he officially closed the Governors' Conference in Eldoret town, as Elvis Koske now reports.
Rogue Ambassador, leave Kenyans alone. If Mandamano can lead to dialogue between Ichungwa and Kalonzo, everything is good with Mandamano. Tell the Rogue Ambassador, Kenya is not United States. Kenya is not a colony of United States.
Azimio leader Raila Odinga's remarks during the Governors' Conference in Eldoret, in the county of Uasin Gishu, the DP asked the opposition leader to accept their defeated fair and square in the last general election.
The unprovoked and unwarranted attack on the U.S. ambassador to Kenya, Meg Whitman, is as a result of people being allergic to the truth and the reality. Ambassador Meg Whitman and other ambassadors were at bombers throughout the counting of votes. They had access to the public portal. They had calculators. They are educated. And they have done some bit of mathematics. They added the numbers, they observed, and they were clear that the election was won fair and square, and it was open, democratic, and meets the best international standards.
He said the attacks against U.S. envoy Meg Whitman were unwarranted.
Ambassador is saying is that is the truth. So she is being attacked and vilified by saying what everybody knows. I want to request leaders to accept the truth and the reality and move on. Life is not static. Life is dynamic. Today you are up, tomorrow you are down, and so on. Again, I want to request our leaders to exercise patriotism to their motherland.
He defended the envoy, saying as one of the Kenya's largest trading partner, she deserves respect. Gachagua said such attacks can easily scare away investors.
Meg Whitman, in a record time, has increased the volume of trade between Kenya and the United States, that as I speak today, the United States of America is Kenya's largest trading partner in the world. She has taken time to sit with the president, to sit with me, to sit with our cabinet ministers, to unlock business opportunities and to bring investors from America. What she deserves is commendation, not vilification for being truthful.
He was speaking when he closed the Governors' Conference, where he assured county governments of Kenya Kwanza administration commitment to protect devolution.
Plus to support what we are doing to collect more money so that we pass it on to you. It doesn't make sense for any governor in the 47 counties to oppose the finance bill, because the finance bill is about raising money to give you another Kenyans. So if you complain we are collecting money and you still expect money from us, then there is a problem.
To start pegging the division of revenue between the two levels of government on the annual projected budget estimates as opposed to the audited accounts, as this will ensure that counties get more resources to enable them implement the many functions that they have.
So elsewhere, President